What's up, everybody? It's that one guy being helped out tonight by that one gal. This is that one, yeah, by my wife. Got some new specs, not that that matters, but some new things on the horizon. Just got the package today that contains everything except my actual Fender. So these are all the parts that it's going to take to swap out the Fender. The Fender is going to take a little bit longer because it has to be painted.
Painted?
So just a little bit of unboxing magic here. I know how everyone loves unboxing videos, so this is what I got. So first part, this is the bracket assembly with the license plate for side mounting the license plate once we get the new Fender on. This is supposed to come with a light, so let's just pop this open to make sure that it comes with that light like they promised. Check it out. Yep, so all the wiring is here for side mounted license plate. But yeah, it does come with a light built into the actual assembly. Also, this is the edge light, LED Fender light for the new tail light. Exciting. Oh, box in a box. I got a box in a box.
It's my in a box!
So yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I used to have one of these on my Iron 883. They're pretty sweet. I just like the way they look. And also, in addition, I'll be getting LED turn signals as well. So this is just the first step in that. Feeling a little more safe. I don't have to open that up because I know everything's in there. And here we have the right and left side actual support mounts, or the support brackets for the, I'll just open one of these because it's the same thing on both sides, just one's the left side and one's the right side. Just make sure it says left and right here. It says LH here, left hand I'm guessing, and RH on that one, right hand. So here we go. This is, should be gloss black. Yeah, I already bought from the local dealership the inner bracket that's going to go on the inside. So yeah, not much to that. But gloss black, that's the one side, and the other side is in the other box. So that's all we got this time. I'll be right back. All right, magically, I changed my clothes. No, it's a different day because it took a little bit while for the Fender to get here, but it is here, and we're gonna open it. This is exciting for me.
And figure out where we need a list, or borrow one, and then we will get to work. But for now, we will just enjoy this. Invoice, you don't care about that.
Well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. We'll have fun stepping on that later. So I love this. Whatever they put on this, it's like almost feels like insulation, like fiberglass. Hopefully it's not, because it's not that stuff's not particularly safe. But this is freshly painted. It said that it was made to color match the paint on a 2013 Wide Glide, which is supposed to have the same paint as the 2013 Fat Bob, which is what I have, with the gold flake in the paint. Now, it doesn't look like there's gold flake in the paint, and I wasn't super worried about that, but a little bummed out just because it said that it was gonna be the same color, and it's not. So there it is in all of its glory, freshly painted and ready to get on the bike. Now, one of the things I was most excited about getting this on the bike was that when I bought my 2013 Fat Bob used, someone had drilled a couple holes in the fender, which I have no idea why they would do that, but it left 2 holes in the fender, and it's always bugged me. I've got 2 screws in there with like rubber gaskets in there to cover the holes up for now, but now I don't ever have to worry about that. So there's no need to worry about that anymore because we got the new Fender. Not a super exciting video, I understand, unboxing all of my stuff to actually do this aesthetic modification to the Fat Bob. But now that all the parts are here, there's only one thing left to do, which is to actually get this done. So if you have any leads on good lifts that are probably like 200, sub 200 range, the one I'm looking at right now is a sub 200 range. So if you have any leads on any of those, leave it in the comments. That'd be really helpful. If you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button to check out what else is going on with that one guy. Or you can click on one of the links to go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. You can start doing stuff like this. It's that one guy. I'm out.
It's that one guy.